Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidre. So guys, inside this video I'm going to show you guys on how to catch up your spike with this particular strategy. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to join our Telegram group. It's in the description of the video. So guys, with this particular strategy I want to show you guys, I believe that you can be using this particular strategy to catch up your daily spike with this strategy. All what you need to do is to understand how this strategy works. I always told you guys that there's no particular strategy that is 100% accurate, but if you master the one that you want to master, you can easily make use of it to earn a lot. So with this particular strategy is a combination of RSI and a moving average. So I will show you to you guys. This is the combination of RSI and a moving average. So we have a 2 level at the of our window 1 year. We have the 80 level and we have the 20 level. So the 80 level only works when you want to scrape down the market. That means you want to set down the market, and when you want to catch up your spike, you need to buy the market. So that is how this particular strategy works. So on our 80 level is what we are going to be using to scrape the market down, and our 20 level is what we are going to be using to catch up a spike. So how are you going to do this? Is that our moving average is the red line, and we also have our RSI to be our yellow line, and what you are going to be studying here is very simple. All what you need to do is to understand how to apply this particular strategy. So we are going to do this anytime we have our 80 level, anytime we have our price that touched our 80 level. This is the right time for us to enter for sell entry. This is the right time for us to enter the sell entry. But our sell entry is always accurate, more stronger when our moving average go before the RSI. You can see what happened here. You can see that here we have our RSI touch our 80 level, but our moving average is in this particular spot. So it's telling us that it's not so strong enough to pull down the market for long period of time. It's going to be only hold it for short period of time before a reverse will happen. But anytime we have our moving average and the RSI that go along above the 80 level, then it means that is going to be a strong position. You can see what happened here. Our RSI go above the 80 level, and our moving average also go above the 80 level. This is to tell us that our market, which is the current one happen here, is going to be so strong before it reverts back, and that is how it works. So all what you need to do is to wait patient enough for you to reach that particular zone. You can see what happened here. Same thing happened here. You can see that our moving average go above it, and also we also have our RSI that go above it also at this level. You can see that the market pulled down so strong enough to come to this level before it reversed back. You can see that. So that is the power when the two of them go above the 80 level. So that is when you are having a strong confirmation. And when we are talking about this catching up spike, which is our 20 level, anytime you have your moving average that go below the 20 level, and also you have your RSI that go below the 20 level, this is to tell us that our market is going to be strong on catching up a spike. Let me show you an example. Yes, this is an example of sit. you see this RSI, it touched our what, our 20 level, and our moving average, if you see our moving average, it go below the what, the 20 level. That is to tell us that our spike level is going to be what, is going to be strong, and we can see what the spike did here. So same thing also happened here, if we check this level also, we can see that same thing happen here. Our RSI go below the 20 level, and we also have our moving average go below the 20 level. And what do you see? The spike keeping up moving on a what, on a high level. You can see that. So that is how this particular strategy works. All what you need to do is to understand a particular strategy, and once you understand it, you can easily identify how it works. So let me show you guys on our relative strength index. How to add it is, you are going to press on this particular F plus, and you are going to click on our relative strength index, which is our parameter of period of 10. We have applied to close. We have level to be 80 and 20. That is the two level you have, which is your strong buy and your strong sell. So we have our color, our style to be in any color. You can choose any color of your choice. You can choose yellow, you can choose any color. Then you click on save, then you click on your moving average inside that particular relative strength index. That is where you are going to have your moving average. So we have the period to be 5, we have shift to be 0, we have methods to be simple, we have apply to close, and you choose your color to be what, to be red color. So that is how you are going to be having the same setup I have here. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share and join our Telegram group for free indicator. Guys, thanks.